What up, Internet? I am the PCGoblin. And in this video, we're going to be taking a look at this smart power strip adapter that I got. So it's got an integrated copper sleeve, whatever that means, USB intelligent identification, whatever, safety socket door, advanced fireproof material, compatible with different electronic devices. A certified plug, that's good. Overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, and overload protection. But best thing is a smart adapter, so I can turn stuff off from my phone wherever I'm at. So we've got the adapter itself, and this can mount anywhere, so you can put it under your desk, which I'm going to be doing to this thing right here. And then it's got two USB ports right here, and then it's got electrical outlets all over here that you can plug things into. Looks like it's only got 3. And then it comes off the base, so you can easily mount the base to something and you just pop it on. And then inside the box, little guide, I think. BESTEK warranty information. It's got an 18-month warranty. Manual. Some sort of gel pad. And then some screws to screw it in. So I'm going to go ahead and install this real quick, and we'll be right back to try it out with the Wi-Fi app. Okay, just to show you why I need this and why it's going to be so helpful, I'm going to be switching to a different camera just off my iPhone. So if it's shaky, I'm sorry, but it is what it is. So when I'm recording, this is what I've got to look at. I've got all this stuff to power, and if I have anything on my desk, I've got to throw the cord over the side. So when I was doing the HP video, that was a big mess. A couple of my power cables, like for my monitor and for the computer itself, like barely reached the power strip, and it was kind of iffy then anyway. So come down around here, big old mess of cables, and that power strip, like that was being pulled up off the ground. And so I've got it just nestled up right here. And so I'll just plug it in. Ooh. Plug it in like that. That way the cable's down here by the leg and out of the way. I'm going to move that extension cord over to this. It should be good. So I had to move the power strip a little bit from where I had it placed because I'd lose a port, or I couldn't fit the actual adapter into it because it'd be hitting the side of the mount for my desk. Alright, so when you first launch the BESTEK app, it wants you to log in or create an account. So I created an account, and now we're going to add device. I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi smart plug, and it's already blinking, and we're going to have to add it to my network. So this is the network I'm going to be putting it on. And then it goes through and it's connecting. Alright, so it's been added. I'm going to choose done. And here it is, and I can turn off each of the ports individually. Can't do the USB ports though, so just the power ports. So I can stop my desk from being able to move just like that. But I don't want to turn off my desk, so I'm going to choose the settings. I can get the device info. Go back, and I can get an offline notification if I happen to lose power. Although my whole house is probably going to lose power, so that alert is probably going to be pointless. I can have it check the network, add to the home screen, and then I can check for the firmware update. It's already on the latest version. And if you want to remove the device from your settings, like you're going to sell it or throw it away or it dies or whatever, you just hit remove device right here. And that's really all there is to the app. That's pretty much it for this. I think it's pretty cool that you can mount it anywhere. You can turn it on or off. It's got a very easy setup, very quick and painless to do. It's able to connect to Alexa and Google Assistant, and you can connect multiple devices to your phone or to the app and control them all through the app. And then if you have Alexa or Google Assistant, you can tell Alexa or Google Assistant to turn off a port or turn it all off, etc. So it's pretty cool. And I'm going to have a link to this in the description below, so if you're interested in it, check it out. If you purchase it, it helps my channel out a little bit, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. But other than that, if you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you disliked it, well, you know what to do. And I'd love to know your thoughts and comments in the section below, so go ahead and leave a comment down below. And I hope you want to see more of my stuff, so you'll hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you so much.